In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate your favorite quote in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, animating text can captivate your audience and emphasize your message effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you can follow along easily and animate like a pro. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're not familiar with the software, it's usually found in the Microsoft Office suite. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to add the animated quote. If you haven't started one yet, feel free to open a new presentation and let your creativity flow. With your presentation ready, direct your attention to the top menu and select the Insert tab. This is where you'll find the tools to add various elements like images, shapes, and, most importantly for our purpose today, text. Next, look for the text box option within this Insert tab. Clicking on it will allow you to draw a text box on your slide where you can input any text you like. Position the text box on the slide where you envision your quote fitting best to enhance the visual impact of your slide. Now that you have your text box in place, it's time to type in your quote. Choose a quote that resonates with your message or theme of the presentation. As you type, consider the font and size, ensuring it's legible from a distance, as this will play a role in how well your audience receives your message. Having entered your quote, let's move on to the exciting part, animation. Switch to the Animations tab at the top of your screen. Here you have a variety of options to bring your text to life. You'll notice there's an animation drop-down menu filled with different styles, from subtle fades to dramatic fly-ins. This is where you'll experiment to find the animation that best suits the mood of your presentation. Click on the animation drop-down and browse through the choices. You'll see previews as you hover over each animation type, helping you visualize how your text will appear during the presentation. When selecting an animation, keep in mind the tone and pace you're aiming for. A quote that's meant to inspire might benefit from a gentle fade in, while something more dynamic might call for a faster, bolder effect. And there you have it, your quote is now animated and ready to enhance your presentation. Always remember to preview your full slideshow to ensure the animation runs smoothly with the overall flow of your presentation. With these simple steps, you can add an engaging visual element to your work, leaving your audience both impressed and inspired. Enjoy presenting, and try experimenting with different animations to find what best suits your style. Happy animating!